You know, smart locks have been around now for about 15 years, and in that time, we have seen some solid innovations that have really been a point of change in how we manage our home's access control. Nowadays, you don't even need to do anything other than show up and the door just magically unlocks. But still, there are folks who want different forms of access control, whether it's by pin lock, fingerprint, or even palm reading. Well, we've just spent a week going over our ranked list of smart locks for 2026, and you would be surprised as to where some of these locks actually rank this year. And don't worry, I've added links to all of these products listed in the video description box below. Hey guys, I'm Jim, and this is Techie Tech News. Okay, some of you have seen some of these smart locks with a built-in video cam, like the MyQ Secure View that we're displaying right now, and this is going for $279. But there's one thing you need to understand, that by adding this, it is a giant reversal of value. And that's due to the fact that retailers are adding an extra $80 to $100 to the price tag. And that is for the addition of a little camera into pre-existing hardware. But here's the biggest problem. A camera on a door pad is not necessarily the best or most optimal placement for video capture. So for that money, you're far off better buying a standalone outdoor camera, which you can easily get at that price point. Nowadays, there are so many manufacturers attempting to offer this, but it's by far not worth the money. So we would place the MyQ Secure View and others like it in the F tier. Just burn it with fire. Now here's the Level Lock Pro. Its claim to fame is its minimalist look, giving its keyhole deadbolt outline its only visual footprint. And it comes with some impressive features like door and lock position sensors, smart home integration, and other options for access control. But at $349, we just can't justify the price for an insignificant minimalist look. Now we've asked over 20 people if they even cared. All 20 have said no. But if you actually care, here's an option for you. However, this is really niche, and we wouldn't recommend it. And for that, we place this in the E tier. And that brings us to the August Home. This device used to be a chart-topping item to get just a few years ago, but now it's pushing its price way up into the $190 mark, making this a very hard purchase. We cannot recommend a general use smart lock for that kind of money. We have other locks on this list that offer more versatility and for less. In general, it is a decent lock, but it's no longer groundbreaking tech, and its price should reflect that. So for now, we place the August in the C tier for 2026, and this is where we pretty much draw the line for the non-recommended smart locks. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit TechieTechDeals.com. The Eufy Security C220 Smart Lock successfully balances convenience, security, and affordability better than anyone else in the market. Its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows users to immediately access remote locking, unlocking, notifications, and activity monitoring through its Eufy Security app. Now the lock supports 6 additional unlocking methods, including keypad codes, fingerprint access, smartphone control, Apple Watch access, voice assistance, and traditional keys, providing excellent flexibility for households with varying preferences. Users can create and manage individual access codes, monitor event history, receive real-time events, and use anti-peep passcode protection to prevent others from identifying entry codes. It's powered by 8 AA batteries, and it offers up to 8 months of use under normal conditions, while also including an emergency power port to prevent lockouts should the batteries be found absolutely depleted. For homeowners seeking a modern smart lock with extensive functionality and straightforward installation, the C220 represents excellent value, placing it in a solid B tier. The Lock-In Venno palm reading smart lock stands out in an increasingly crowded smart lock market by providing hard-to-fake access with advanced palm vein recognition technology. Unlike conventional biometric systems that rely on external fingerprint patterns or even facial recognition, the Venno scans the unique vein structure beneath the skin, making duplication nearly impossible. The result is an exceptionally fast, touch-free unlocking experience that both is convenient and highly secure. Beyond its headline palm recognition system, the Venno provides a comprehensive range of access control methods, including fingerprint unlocking, touchscreen PIN codes, smartphone control, Matter-enabled smart home integration, voice assistant capabilities, and traditional physical keys. Combined with an auto lock setting, activity logs, remote management, and extensive user controls, the lock delivers a robust smart home security experience. For users seeking cutting-edge biometric access without reoccurring subscription fees, the Veno delivers a feature set that's difficult to match at its price point. It is a great option for alternative security and makes our B-tier rating. The Yale Assure Lock 2 is one of the most trusted lock manufacturers today, combining strong security, extensive smart home capability, and an attractive modern design. Building off the success of Yale's original Assure Lock, the second generation model introduces a slimmer profile, improved standards, expanded connectivity options, and a broader ecosystem support system, making it suitable for virtually any smart home setup. The Assure Lock 2 offers plenty of points of access, including key access, touchscreen PIN code, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Apple Home Key, and voice access. And there are different variations of this lock, which allows buyers to choose a model that both matches their security preferences and smart home ecosystem. Activity logs and real-time monitoring helps users track who enters and exits the home, while an auto lock and unlock feature improves convenience without sacrificing security. The thing to remember here is that overall, it's a premium device, where most other alternatives are just not quite as well made or as well funded. So ultimately, this lock is about personal assurance that you're getting a premium lock, and you're getting it from a company with over 187 years of locking experience. And with that, we rate this lock right there in the A tier, and that's where it belongs. The Locky Visage Zeno facial recognition smart lock represents one of the most technologically advanced residential smart locks currently available. Rather than relying primarily on fingerprints, PIN codes, or smartphone access control, the Visage Zeno uses facial recognition, offering truly hands-free entry that feels more like a modern consumer technology than a traditional door lock. And that is thanks to its binocular 3D infrared facial scanning and active live body detection, which the system requires depth and genuine facial contours, making it highly secure against standard spoofing attempts. Now, while the facial recognition is its primary attraction, Locky wisely uses multiple backup entry methods. You can unlock the door with a fingerprint authentication, customize access codes, smartphone control, Apple Home Key, voice assistance, or a traditional backup key. The company's PIN Genie technology randomizes keypad number locations each time the display activates, helping prevent code thieves through fingerprint smudges or observation. This is a convenient smart lock, giving you everything you need or could want from a quick access control point of view, and we rate this model well into the A tier. The UltraLock Bolt is a premium smart lock that offers everything you could want from a smart lock, less the palm and facial biometrics. But unlike many smart locks that offer focused features or secondary features that are a second thought in design, the Bolt just does it all better, and it does it for around $150. The UltraLock's 360-degree fingerprint ID technology allows users to place their fingerprint at virtually any angle, all while still achieving fast and accurate authentication. And when we say the Bolt does it well, we say that it excels at everything like keypad entry, smartphone control, voice assistance, temporary access codes, and including its traditional backup key. Through the UTech app, homeowners can remotely manage access control permissions, monitor activity history, receive notifications, and create a one-time, reoccurring, or scheduled access control for guests, family members, service providers, or short-term rental occupants. So if you're a homeowner seeking a highly secure smart lock that remains easy to use and install, the Bolt is one of the strongest all-around options on the market. Its value for the dollar is absolutely outstanding, ranking this smart lock as an S-tier model, and it is our recommended pick for 2026. Hey folks, thanks for watching. And also remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. Links to all of these items are posted in the video description box below. And if you have another product you need a review on, go ahead and check our playlist.